When searching for the most comprehensive eye exam in Roswell, look no further than Eye Optique. Eye Optique eye exams are administered by a friendly and experienced licensed eye doctor using the latest technically advanced equipment. At Eye Optique, you'll find the best brands of contact lenses as well as colored contact lenses and contact lenses for astigmatism. Most insurance plans are accepted, but those without pay as little as $49.95 for both frames and single vision lenses. Eye Optique has an enormous inventory of fashion frames, and Eye Optique can put prescription lenses in most of the latest fashion sunglasses. So for a better experience with caring professionals, call Eye Optique today at 770-642-7720 or visit us in the Marketplace Shopping Center at 10800 Alpharetta Highway in Roswell.